Hello everyone, this is Mukundan Raghavan, and today we are going to see one of the main update from the Microsoft Copilot, which is Windows Copilot. If you are using the Windows 11, by default you will be getting these updates. If you don't see your updates, then go to your Windows updates in your system and you will be getting the latest updates. After getting the latest updates, you will be seeing the Copilot in your system just as I show here. If you click that Copilot icon, you will be having the different option about the conversation style can be creative, balanced, and precise. For example, it is giving some example also. Click on Open Notepad. It will open the notepad for you. It will ask for the prompt. Yes, click on yes. Then it will be opening here. That's good. Okay, now let's minimize this and let's ask for the changing the theme. Change theme to dark. Again, it will ask for the prompt. Let's see. Yes. And change has been done. Now we will see some examples here. So let's open multiple tabs that we opened like a notepad. Let me open multiple things. Open Word, Excel, PowerPoint. It will ask for the prompt. Click on yes. Again, yes. Yes, it's opening all the apps. So that means that you don't need to search or you don't need to look for the different applications. Okay, that's good. Now let's go to how to get started. It is kind of prompt. You can use it for creating some content or creating some steps to start with something from the scratch. Let's use the same how to get started for weight loss. So it is giving some general information about the weight loss, which is the common goal for so many. And it is giving the step by step. The same way you can use the same template for the technical article also. How to get started. Probably we can try with something on the Rust programming language. You can stop this and let's go to the Rust programming language. Okay, maybe the previous one is running. Let's see. And it is giving some references also. That's good. Giving some videos also. That is also nice. Now it is starting with how to get started Rust programming. Let's see. Again, it is giving some introduction to the Rust programming language. And it is giving the system setup might be yes. Giving the URL official website for the Rust and the commands as well. What else? Let's see. IDE, suggested IDE, VS Code, that is also fine. And URL for the VS Code. And the starting file, new project information, how to start. Sample code as well. That's great. Nice. So it's giving the full information or full package if you're starting for the any new tool or any new language. And finally, it's giving the programming language book also, book reference also. Let's see if it gives something on the videos also. I think probably it is giving the videos links and URLs. Okay, that's good. Now let's go to see the some of the text related things. Open the things in your Edge browser because this Copilot will have the access for the Edge browser, not for other browsers. Look for something, a new concept, which can be Databricks, which is the recent tool I heard about that. And click on this. Okay, fine. Now I want to get the summary. I don't have the time to read everything. I want to get the summary. Just press anywhere in the screen and Control A and Control C. As soon as you select, it will be selected automatically in Copilot. Just click on Send. Now here you can see it will be giving the options. So what do you want to do with the text? And let me explain or let me summarize. Okay, I need to select outside to stop this selection continuously. Let me, yes, summarize. Let's see what is the summary I'm getting from this page. Okay, this is a shortened version. Okay, data bricks, information, lakehouse. Okay, in very short, it is giving all the information with the URLs also. That's great. Let's go to some other site, maybe Selenium. Go to Selenium and just select only 2 lines and Control C. Oh, without C also it's sending that. Okay, send. Click outside. And now I want to expand. Even though I selected only 2 lines, let's see how it expands from that. The text you selected is about WebDriver. Okay, fine. WebDriver is a part of Selenium. Okay, WebDriver works. Okay, fine. WebDriver supports various programming languages. Okay, fine. So from these 2 lines, it is giving more information about that. Okay, that's good. And what else we can do? Let's go to the Notepad++. Okay, sometimes you need to create a quick PPT or Word content. But point here to be noted is this is only the Windows Copilot, not Microsoft 365 Copilot, which means that it will not directly create the PPT or Word content or Word for you. It will give the text output for you. For example, let's take the create article on Docker. Okay, even it is considering the Notepad also. That's good. Explain, or even you can copy paste the same. Let me copy paste the same. Way to use the copy directly. Docker container. Okay, that is enough. Let's see how it creates the content. Docker container beginner guide. Okay. What is Docker container and how does it differ from virtual machine? Okay, it's giving detailed steps and the bullet points and explanations. So hereafter, I think we don't need to create content from browsing the different web pages and copy pasting. If you give the proper question or proper prompt to the Windows Copilot, we can create all the content from here itself. And the best part is it does not come with your LLM or let's say OpenAI. So that means that we are not logging into any OpenAI portal. It is automatically comes with your Windows system. And here you can see it is giving the pseudo code also. I think this document will be enough whoever starts Docker from the scratch. Okay, let's try for something new for the PPT content because this will be good in case if you are creating the Word document, right? Let's imagine we are creating the create content for PPT on Playwright tool. Okay, still it's going. My God, let me stop this. It's very exhaustive content for the Word. Let's try for the create content PPT on Playwright. Sorry, create content for PPT on Playwright test. Okay, it is giving tab. Because Playwright has the different meaning, so Playwright test would be the correct topic. Okay, so now introduction slide with what is Playwright and why you use it. Okay. Benefits of Playwright. Getting started. Okay, next slide. Sample code. how to use fixtures, parameters, advanced topics. Again, some code example. Might be we don't need the code in case of PPT creation, but it's our job to convert this into the normal slides if you don't want the code examples. However, still you can use the code examples so that people will understand more further if your audience is technically sound. Or if it is somebody from the management team, you need to use only the content about that and other main perspective in the management side. Okay, again, it is giving a lot of information. Okay, fine. We are at conclusion. Summary. Okay, good. Call to action. Nice. So hereafter, I think creating the content for PPT or Word will be very easy if you know the topic. Okay, what else we can do? So it is also giving some suggestions. Okay, what are some alternatives to playwright test? So that means that it is not only the question and answer, it is the conversation between you and the Windows Copilot. And you can ask anything, basically, which is some things are very limited. That means that you cannot just create the content directly in the PPT itself. It will give the content for PPT. It's your job to create inside the PPT. However, if you start using the other Copilot version, such as like a Microsoft Copilot or Microsoft Office Copilot, then it would be great. You can directly create there. Even you don't need to come to the Windows Copilot. However, this is free and we can make use of it till we get the paid version of the Microsoft Office 365 Copilot and GitHub Copilot. Okay, so that's good. And this is all about this video. And we have seen how to get the Windows Copilot if you are using the Windows 11 version, and how to use it. For example, just changing some system level commands like changing the themes and opening multiple apps and creating some content for how to get started, or explain, summarize, expand, revise, those kind of actions over the selected text. And we have seen we should select only the content from the Edge browser because it has the direct connection to the Edge browser. And we can ask the very specific prompts to create the content for the Word document or PPT documents. However, this will be our own responsibility to convert this text into the PPT. And this is all about this video, and always be a rainbow in others' cloud.